Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about Python programming language. We all know about Python programming languages. Python is very popular programming language that is widely used for a variety of tasks such as web development, data analysis, machine learning and artificial intelligence. There are so many programming languages, but why Python? So we will discuss about some key features of Python. Because Python is simple and easy to learn. Python has simple, easy to read syntax, which makes it easy to learn for beginners. Python is interpreted language, so we don't have to use compiler for execution. And Python is faster than any other programming languages, so this makes the development process faster and more efficient. And it has cross-platform compatibility, so it can run on multiple platforms without any modification. And also Python has large standard library that includes modules for a wide range of tasks such as string manipulation, networking and file handling. And last not least, it is high-level language. What do you mean by high-level language? High-level language are human-friendly. They are thus very easy to understand and learn by any programmer. So overall, we can say that Python is versatile and powerful language that is used by a wide range of developers for various tasks. So we can say that Python is a great programming language for beginners to learn. So if you are in class 11th or class 12th and computer science is your subject, so you have to learn some topics like basic syntax. So you will understand the basic structure of Python programs, and you will also learn that how to write a program and how to execute a program. Next is data types. So we will learn different data types in Python such as integer, floating points number, string, booleans, etc. After that you will learn what is variable. That means declaring and using of variables to store data in Python programs. Then you will learn control flow statements. So learning about control flow statements such as if-else statement, while loop, for loop to control the flow of your program. You will also learn about lists and tuples. So lists and tuples are mainly sequence of elements. In class 11th you will also learn about dictionaries. Thank you. Keep watching.